legs are so sore already.
Have you got a better plan other than pedaling? Surely we can fit a motor in these things.
You reckon?
Tell you what, we'll go have a look in the shed, see what we got.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we find some wooden steppers.
Can you carry me?
Fuck no.
Ciao! I'm fucked.
Another donk. You gonna fucking help or what? Or are you just gonna sit there and drink piss?
I've already ordered the motors a week ago. So mate, I've gone all out. We've got our motors and little basket.
Yes! Can I hold ice?
I've got me a basket and I've got a few other little goodies.
You've got a rubber ducky with a helmet, bro!
Mate, you had to have a horn.
It's gonna be a good adventure this one, mate. You! Got there.
Yeah. I also got a rear rack for the esky.
Oh yes!
My horn. I got a man basket.
I like my basket, mate. That is awesome.
You like it?
I like
I
it.
thought you'd like it.
Yeah, that is good. I like my woven fucking bamboo basket.
Right, so if you're wondering where we got all this shit from, there's a company called Bang Good. Now these guys are the sponsors for this episode. So I've gone through, picked out all the shit that I wanted for this episode. And to surprise our mate Spud. Yeah, so we're gonna throw our motors on our push bikes and we are gonna go for a proper adventure.
Let's have a squiz at these motors, bro. 80cc, so she's gonna boogie. Zing zing! Oh, it's got a throttle and everything. I'm keen, bro, I'm keen. We have the fuel tank. We have a nice shiny sprocket. The big donk. The big donk. Look at that. So there's the donk. 400 horsepower engine. There's a throttle cable, kill switch.
It's looking pretty good so far. I'm really keen for this.
Yeah, man. Bring, bring! That's the exhaust, man. And that's it. I think that's it. This the problem is they're gonna fit our bushings.
I hope they do. I don't think the carb will fit, honestly. It's gonna nail that frame.
Nah, mine's shorter than yours. Way shorter.
So I guess we go and try and find another frame.
Yeah, man.
Because they're not gonna work in these bikes.
These ones. 99 bucks, bud, from Big W.
Well, who wants to do a lap?
Who's driving? I can't.
Okay.
You going, Declan?
On the way out to get the Big W bikes, we have spotted these. We've got my old chopper push bike, and I don't know where that one come from.
So this is my push bike that was found beside one of the cars. I reckon this will work. We'll kick it into gear and we'll get these motors in. And we'll go on an adventure. Let's start the build montage. This frame here is too thick for the thing to go around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on there. I'm going to smack the fuck out of it and squash it a little bit so it works. That goes on there like that. Ying ying! Just flog it! Oh, I have a problem.
Spud just doesn't know what he's doing.
I'm not sure if I'm bending it. This is about to get freaking 6 less bolts than what it requires. I can tell you.
I blew a plugger! So how'd you do yours, Cody?
Fucking sent it.
Just sent it? Oh. Holy fuck, how you meant to do this, bro? Fuck. You gotta have patience, man, to do this shit. What the fuck?
Look at how pointed Spud's toes are. He's
I
fully ballet dancer.
Mine's all done. I'm gonna throw her on. And it fucking nails every fucking nut. I'm gonna have to take them out, put them in the other way now.
You're just gonna grind the cunt.
Look at that.
Alright guys, while Cody's putting his bike together, I'll go through these new stubby coolers we got. They're on Headlock merch, guys. Jump on there. The new Time for Hydration stubby coolers. Jump on there and buy some, boys. Cheers.
What I have completed is a series of fuck ups. I put the fuel tank on, the motor's in, throttle's on, clutch is on, cables, clutch cable, that's all done. So now I'm just wiring up the CDI. So blue to blue, black to black. Boom, there's our CDI. It hits the crank if it goes here and it doesn't sit flush. And you can't put it out this side because it hits the frame. And I'm not about to be sitting here cutting exhaust pipes and welding them back up. So it's going up. God damn it.
Saucing on him, bro.
Exhaust.
Yeah.
Beer.
Beverages.
Alrighty, so I've got the bike here. I think I'm going to name it the Widowmaker. Base set out, an old pushy chopper. Man basket at the top. Man horn. And then also when it rains, we got our umbrella. But other than that, she's ready to go. Runs good, but I'm just getting a soot straight in the face.
Alright guys, this is mine. The nickname for it is Bitchmobile. It has me flash umbrella like Katie's. I got me bitch basket. I got me wings for me esky. And I'm set to go. Fuel's on, bit of gas. Just kick her in the guts and see how she goes. Hopefully I don't catch on fire.
We're gonna go do a quick test ride, see how they go, and we'll be back. Come on, Spud! Our first test drive was a success. Spud's was. Mine, however, the motor decided to do funny things because it wants to shift sideways because I haven't got a bottom engine mount on, and strapping it up didn't work. So I think Spud's only problem was his seat kept falling off. Pretty small problem, but we'll fix that and we'll be on our way.
Job done.
So we fixed everything and we're ready for our initial testing. Sorry, our initial testing's done. We're ready to just go thrash the shit out of them now. Let's see how they hold up. Ready to go, Spud?
Yeah, bud.
Alrighty, so we're here at our little test track. So Spud and I are going to do some high speed bloody laps and see who's quickest. Mickey the whole time.
Well, yeah.
Just not backing off.
I
It was
wasn't
flat.
I wasn't flat rigging.
That was some nice little high-speed passes, but yours is still quicker.
I think it's just the tyre size,
I
bro.
think it comes down just to tyre sizes.
Good fun. Real good fun.
Bloody rough things to ride, I tell you. Alright, so we've done our high-speed passes, but now it's time to see if it's actually worth doing all this shit to a push bike. Because quite frankly, it's a lot of work, pretty loud and rough. So we're going to get a normal push bike and we're going to see if these things can outrun it.
Let's get into it.
You ready, boys?
Is it starting from
No, I'll count
you guys
down
starting it,
and
or
then
you
we'll start.
started?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Just turn the cameras off, mate. Turn the cameras off.
Now, me and Cody, we won this contest, mate. Who would think that a push bike would beat an 80cc motorbike? Like, come on.
Literally like a whole 3 kilowatts, 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds. Like, there's just no way.
Nah, no way in the world.
This
Nah,
is the
that's it.
better way to go than riding a traditional push bike. This is definitely worth it.
The good old 80cc pushies, mate.
Yep.
Way to go. All right, we're gonna head back to camp now. We're gonna park these boys up and have a hydration session.
They're gone.
Alrighty guys, the sun is going down on us. That's pretty much the end of this episode, and we'd like to thank Bang Good for sponsoring us and giving us all this gnarly shit. So basically everything you see here but the bike they supplied for us. Real great to deal with. They sent us out the motor, all this weird stuff. If you like what you see, jump on their website, just type in 80cc, bloody push bike, whatever, and this motor will pop up if you want a motor. And they also have a September sale on the 13th, so keep an eye out for that, and they're going to discount a few things. Let us know what you thought about this episode, and we may do some more cool shit with them. Let us know in the comments what you guys want to see, and we'll get on to it. No worries, boys. Stay hydrated.
Jump on Patreon, guys. 500 Patreons, I get a mullet. $1 a month, you get to see the behind the scenes. As soon as you sign up, we send out a complimentary sticker.